Right now, you can make fire in 2 seconds. A lighter, a match, a stove. But for millions of years, humans had none of that. So how did we go from a species terrified of fire to a species that controls it completely? The answer starts with lightning. Long before humans learned to make fire, they learned to steal it. A tree struck by lightning would burn for hours, sometimes days. Early humans, not yet fully human, more like our ancestor species, Homo erectus, noticed something strange. Animals fled from the flames, but the ground it left behind was warm, safe, and predators stayed away. At first, fire was terrifying. It was fast, unpredictable, and could kill just as easily as it could help. But some individuals, braver or maybe just more desperate, did something no other animal on Earth had ever done. They got close. They noticed the burned ground kept dangerous animals at a distance. They noticed meat caught in a wildfire tasted different, softer, easier to chew, somehow more filling. This wasn't science. This was trial, error, and hunger. For a long time, humans couldn't make fire. They could only keep it. If a natural fire started nearby, a group might carry burning branches back to their camp and protect that flame like it was alive. Someone was assigned to feed it day and night. If it went out, the tribe might not get another chance for months, maybe longer. This single responsibility, keeping the fire alive, may have shaped some of the earliest forms of teamwork and social structure in human history. Someone had to watch it while others slept. Someone had to gather fuel. Fire wasn't just warmth, it was the first job. Then, sometime between 1.5 million and 400,000 years ago, something changed. Humans stopped waiting for fire to find them. They learned to make it themselves. The method was brutally simple. Friction. Rub two pieces of wood together fast enough, and the heat from that friction can ignite dry material. Grass, bark, dust. It sounds easy. It wasn't. It could take minutes of exhausting effort, sore hands, and repeated failure before a single spark caught. Later, humans discovered another method, striking flint against pyrite, a mineral that throws off hot sparks on impact. This was faster, more reliable, and became the standard method for creating fire for thousands of years afterward. Once humans could make fire on demand, everything changed. Cooking meat killed parasites and bacteria that had been killing early humans for as long as they'd existed. Cooked food was also easier to digest, which meant the body needed less energy to process it. That extra energy didn't just disappear. Scientists believe it helped fuel the growth of something remarkable, a bigger, more complex brain. Fire also extended the day. Before fire, when the sun went down, life stopped. After fire, humans could stay awake longer, talk longer, plan longer. Some anthropologists believe this extra time around the campfire, talking, telling stories, passing down knowledge, helped shape early language and culture itself. Fire pushed back predators that had hunted humans for millions of years. Lions, hyenas, saber-toothed cats all kept their distance from flame. For the first time, humans could sleep through the night without a rotation of guards watching for teeth in the dark. Fire meant survival in freezing climates. It's one of the key reasons humans were able to migrate out of warm regions and into colder parts of the world, places that would have been unlivable without a way to create heat on demand. But fire was also dangerous in ways early humans understood all too well. Wildfires could destroy a camp in minutes. A poorly managed flame could spread through dry grass and kill the very people who depended on it for survival. Fire had to be respected, not just used. By the time modern humans, Homo sapiens, appeared roughly 300,000 years ago, fire wasn't a discovery anymore. It was assumed. It was culture. Every group had it, used it, protected it, and pass the knowledge down. Think about that the next time you flick a lighter without thinking. That tiny, effortless flame took our ancestors possibly over 1,000,000 years to fully master, through fear, trial, failure, and finally control. Fire didn't just keep humans warm. In a very real sense, it made us who we are.